Hi teachers, from time to time I will receive requests on how to help some students to find the past exam papers. So in these presentations, I will share with you step by step on how you can find the past exam papers. So after this presentation, you should be able to find the past exam papers by using the method that I will show it to you shortly, and also to download the past exam paper for your references, how to log in using the username and password as necessary sometime to download the past exam paper, how to access the past exam paper step by step from ground zero, from the basic starting from Google search, and where to key in the subject code, and what is subject code to search for the past exam papers. Now at the Google search screen, you have to type AEU past exam paper. Sometimes you can type AEU exam paper, or sometimes you can type past exam paper AEU. But in this example, you follow this. AEU past exam paper, you type inside this box here under the Google search screen. After you click the Google search, you can see this screen, exam papers depository. So in this screen, you click this any one of these words as long as it shows a hands, and you click exam papers depository. This will be the next screen, and there's a box here for you to key in the subject code. Subject code meaning each subject has a numbers or a code at the front. So for example, like curriculum and teaching strategy, the subject code is ECE123. Okay, so you type the subject code ECE123, and next you click search. You click search. Okay, the next, beside typing the just now at the box, at the bottom of the same screen, you can also find something like this. So it says that on this screen, it says welcome to exam papers depository. And how to search for exam papers? Please click here to download the guideline. And what it says here is this: you can log in using the username exam papers, password AEU123. So remember this. From time to time, you'll be requested to key in the username as exam papers, password AEU123. And on this same screen, search by subject code, search by course title, search by year. So if you just now I show it to you is course code, or in other words we call it subject code, same meaning. The easiest way to search for past paper is by entering the course code or subject code into the search field or box, and then pressing the enter key on your computer keyboard. The course code or subject code should be typed in full into the course code field, omitting spaces, no spaces. For example, MIB, no space with the 401. So you type straight MIB 401, or the example just now ECE123. The second method you can key in into the box, or we call it search field, is search by subject title. You can also search for exam papers by typing the course title or subject title into the search field, the box, and then pressing the enter key. For example, international business, or for example, curriculum and teaching strategy, or child psychology. You can check the course code and course title by logging into MyPLS or the student portal under the relevant sections. Search by year. You can also search for exam papers by typing the year the exam was conducted into the search field. Okay, the search field or the search box. Then pressing the enter key. For example, for the year 2016, you type 2016. If it's year 2020, you type year 2020. And the same thing as I mentioned just now, under the same we call it way of searching, if you are required exam paper code, okay, we call it course code or subject code. Okay, for example, the first example I showed to you, ECE 123. Okay, you type ECE 123 and you click search. And the next screen will appear like this. It shows that the displaying result, okay, for the past paper will be listed on this screen. So in this case, if you want the latest one, 2021 May 2021, ECE 123, Curriculum and Teaching Strategy in the Early Childhood Education. Okay, you click here. Any one of these with a hand appear, you click here. So once you click here, the next screen will appear like this. It requests you to click here, click download. So after you click download, two screens could be possibly happen. One is it will straight away download the past exam paper. Another type of screen will be requesting you to type in the username and the password as I mentioned earlier. So in this case, you just click download. So the next page screen will be like this will happen. If not happen, then you will be straight appear the past exam papers. So in our example, here you have to key in or type username. Username you type exam papers, EXAMPAPERS, exam papers. And in this box here, password box, you type AEU123, AEU123. After you have typed these two boxes, you click. So you click here, then the next screen will happen, will be shows like this. Okay, you start to download the past exam paper at the bottom left of your screen. Okay, so you click here to open the past exam papers. So after you download here, you click here, then the next screen will appear like this. Okay, it asks you to click open. So you click to open past exam papers. You click this open. So after you click this open, the next screen will be appear like this. Okay, this is the past exam papers, May 2021 September. The subject code just now is mentioned about course code. So course code, subject code, same meaning. ECE 123. Subject name, Curriculum and Teaching Strategies in Early Childhood Education. So with that, this is the complete step-by-step showing you how you can find the past exam paper, download past exam papers. The screen appear that I shown it to you just now could be slightly different from different operating system. Some are using the MacBook, some using the Windows, some using different computers, some using laptop, some using desktop, some using mobile smartphone. So the screen should be slightly different from device to device, system to system. But remember, if you are requested to type in the username, always type as EXAMPAPERS, exam papers. And the password always be AEU123. Then you should be able to download and open the past exam papers. So with that, thank you, teacher.